Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter and I am here with September's. Can you believe it's September's? I know I say this every month, but come on, it's September already. September's my sister's challenge 2022. I had a little trouble with the lizard, but I'll just recap the prompt. So paperclip, paper doily, brown, fluffy, rainbow lizard paint. So I have my paperclip. I have my paper doilies. I think these came from Poundland. They are love to craft. Love these, so cute. I have, for brown and fluffy, I thought there's a picture in here. Oh, I should have marked it. Of some long-haired dachshunds. Or that one might be a more size appropriate. Okay, I had a bit of paper kicking about. There we are. So we'll just mark that page. So brown and fluffy in one. Rainbow. I pulled out this rainbow. I know it's not a true rainbow, but it's a rainbow of colours. Lizard. I had to go on. Oh, hold on. What is it called? I should have wrote it down. I've still got the thing open. This is the Biodiversity Library photo stream on Flickr. So they have a lot of public domain images. And I just printed off these. This is Lacerta moralis, which is apparently the common wall lizard. I googled it to make sure it was actually a lizard and not just a creature masquerading as a lizard. So I watched some videos by, oh, her name is gone. I want to say Melania. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. Anyway, it'll be in the description box below, and she showed 2 ways of making paper clips, like hidden paper clips. Oh, paint. I forgot paint. I was painting something and there was paint left over and I just put it on this book page, so I thought maybe we could use that somehow. So let's see if I can remember how she did this. Okay, she had a paper clip. She had a piece of paper. Oh, and excuse my nails, it's paint. I used some enamel paint, it will not come off. Did she then just cut it down and fold it in half? I don't think this is going to be long enough. Oh no, it is. Okay. Right. And then put the paper clip over the top. And then another piece of paper was glued over the top of that. That was not my best tearing. Think. And then, hold on, I need to sneeze, excuse me. Bless me. And then your paper clip just goes over that like that. Right, it works. So now I need to stick this down. I'm going to use 3 in 1. I feel like that just flew off the top there. Let me just glue the other side down. This glue is going to make us sneeze again, I'm sure. She did something with sticky tape that I didn't understand the purpose of, so I'm omitting the sticky tape. Okay, so this is, by all accounts, oh no, I've stuck those together. Can't stick those together because then the paperclip won't work. Right, that was so much easier than I thought. I was wanting to make these and I put them off because I thought it was going to be too hard. Okay, so what are our other prompts? Paper diary. I've got a bit and I've got a hole. That's covering up too much paint. I don't think it is. I'm just thinking. And I don't know if this is cheating. Instead of putting everything under the paperclip, what if we made something for it to paperclip onto? I should really have my glue book out. Glue book. Or we do have two sides of the paperclip to decorate. So there's always that. Okay, brown and fluffy. Put a mark in and I still can't find it, so we've got and this is, if you would like to know, Dax Hands by Ephemera, a files handbook. The ISBN is there. Just in case you're interested. You might be, you might not be. Okay, we could fussy cut those out. I think we can sort of do both. Right, I was going to say I want my little scissors. I don't know where they are. I am in such a mess. As I say, I've got 2 other projects on the go right now. And then we could put this, well, let's put this little cutie pie out. My neighbour's got 2 Dax Hounds, they're very cute. You always check the reverse of your papers before you throw them away. Rounded those corners. Ah. Oops. I think they're too big. But I think that is stinking adorable. Wait, I'm not going to stick anything else down until these don't have stuck together. Stuck together. Okay. No, I want to go in that way. It's going to go on the top of the page. Like so. Okay. Brown and fluffy rainbow, like lizard. looking at this one. Where are those little scissors? I think the lizard and the doggy need names. Hector for the lizard, and the doggy is Daphne. This would be so much easier with little scissors. They're in the pot. They were hidden. Hidden by a ruler. It actually put something away. Oh, I like that, like that. Okay, rainbow. That is the last prompt we have. I pulled out this stamp set. I think it came from a magazine, and I was going to use the word September. I don't actually know if this. Oh, it does stamp. I think I might want it on. Ooh, on this paper. This stamp is good, but I'm gonna go with it. Try not to touch it in case it's not dry. I'm so used to using my stays on ink. How cute does that look? I do want the white. No, I think the cream. Okay. What about the other side of the paper clip though? Let's focus on one thing at a time. Oh, quick question about video lengths. It's been suggested, I won't say I've been told, it's been suggested that my videos are too long and that I should try and bring them down to under half an hour. I would just like your feedback on that. Do you mind them being like up to an hour long, sometimes over, or would you prefer shorter videos? Because the thing is, when I sit here, I just get carried away. So yeah, do you know why I chose September? Because it's the September prompt. Okay, the other side. We could do. Another little piece of doily. I don't feel like another lizard. But then I did have these little fellas. And are just sitting here minding their own. So if you can hear the dog, it's a bin day and possibly also a window cleaner day. We don't get our windows cleaned because it overexcites her, but the neighbours do. I'm going to do that for the back. Oh, I could use that September as well. And then this can be like a zero waste project. Well, apart from, well, they're not waste because they will get used somewhere else. Those are the two doggies I cut out. Cut out. It's a little bit blendy though. I'm going to use this. This has just got rustic wilderness on it. The colour I've been using a lot for a current video. Just makes it pop. There we go, front and back decorated. So there are things I would do differently if I did it again, but I think for a first attempt using the prompts we had, that's not too bad. So we have paperclip, paper doily, brown and fluffy, rainbow, lizard and some paint. And I've just pulled in this bit of black card and it would just thingy over. Thingy, that's a technical term, would just clip over a page like so, and then you could put something underneath it. I will definitely be making more of these. That was so quick and easy. Honestly, I've been putting off. So thank you, sister, for the prompt, because I don't think I would have done this anytime soon without the prompt. So there we have our little challenge. All 7 prompts achieved. So I think this might have been quite a short video, I don't know. I had to pause a couple of times, there was stuff going on. So I hope you have fun with your challenge if you're taking part, and I will see you next time.